Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to set up name in Western Union. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before starting the process, let me tell you one thing. In each country, Western Union gives limited access. Currently I am using US Western Union account. So if you are using the same, then this interface will show on your screen. But if you are using a different one, maybe there will be a different interface. And I'm also hoping for. By doing the same, you can set your name in Western Union account. So all you have to do is, you can see the option logout. And just next to logout you can see your profile icon, tap on it. Once you will tap on it, it will direct to your profile section. And here you can see the option first name, last name, middle name. Here you have to write your first name. After writing your first name, write your last name. After writing your last name, here is middle name. It's optional because not everyone has a middle name. So before typing on the option save, you have to write all info, like street address, zip code, city, state, and all things. After writing everything, you can see the option save. Simply tap on it. After typing on it, your name on Western Union has been set. So it was basic way by which you can change your name on Western Union.